Hi, my name is Samir Madani. I'm from Dovado, and here we're exhibiting our router for USB mobile broadband modems, which allows you to insert a USB modem for 3G, CDMA or iBurst. And if you connect it at the back here, you can also share it out via Wi-Fi and or the 4 LAN ports. You also have a WAN port here if you want to have plug in an ADSL modem and use it as your primary form of internet access. Now, should that internet access drop, it'll automatically toggle over to the 3G modem. You can also get a SMS notification each time this happens. And once the ADSL is back up again, it'll toggle back to it. So what we can also demonstrate in this beyond internet sharing is the ability to automate certain parts of your home. For instance, I can turn off and on lights and appliances all from my mobile phone with help of an SMS command. So if I send a message here, Star Hub, that's the SIM card I'm using in my router, I say lamp 1 on. Okay. And the way this works is the message, which is sent from my Swedish phone number here, is received by the operator StarHub. The SIM card is inside the modem. The modem then takes the message, receives it, and passes it on as a pulse, a wireless pulse. And there you go. And how this turned on was with the help of these kind of receivers, which you can find in many stores around the world. It's just a wireless receiver with a wall plug, and you can plug in any kind of device, lamp, cooling, heating, coffee machine, whatever. So if you're stuck in traffic, you want to turn it on, you can do it with your mobile phone. And in addition to all this, we've also added support for positioning. So you can use a GPS dongle such as this, which has a USB connector. You can plug it in on the back of the router here. So because we support 2 devices at the same time, you can have a USB modem and the GPS. And it allows you to do things like positioning. So here's the router interface. You can see it's connected to 3G network at 51% signal. That's the time. It's connected by USB, not by Ethernet port. That's how much data has been downloaded and uploaded throughout the month in gigabytes. And that's your current fix. So latitude, longitude. If you click on position there, opens up a map, and there you have it. This is the Singapore Expo, revealing the location. So every minute, this data will be updated, and you can always talk to the router if it's in a moving vehicle, such as a car, bus, or boat. You can see where it is. And you can also SMS the router asking its location. One thing, of course, people want to be able to do is say that you go on holiday and you want to cut off the internet access. You just send a message like that. You say disconnect. And you can also say connect. And by doing this, the message will be received. And here we're doing a ping, for instance. Takes a little bit of time, but this lamp here at the front, USB, that indicates whether your internet connection is up or not. And once the message has been received, you can see it drop. The ping has dropped, and if I send the message connect, it will do the reverse. So it's a good way to optimize your burn rate of data, right? And one of the very most important features about the UMR is that you're able to firmware upgrade it constantly. And we deliver firmware updates every 6 to 8 weeks. And with every new firmware, we release support for new USB modems. So today we have the longest list in the industry, rating over 60 different USB modems. And only a day or 2 ago, we added support for the first 14 megabit modems, and we're looking to add support for 21 megabits in the coming weeks. So you can see here all the different models, which firmware minimum requirement you need to have in the UMR. There's also YouTube videos here showing that it actually does work and what it actually does deliver, and then whether or not SMS is supported. So not all modems support SMS together with the UMR, but most do. And we're continuously developing the firmware to add in more features and more modems. Thank you very much.